Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Finished product right here. First lady says she can't wait to eat, you know? Done right now. Beautiful, look at that. Not true, first lady. True, not true, babes, not true.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, what do we have, my love?
Brown stew swim around, aka brown stew fish. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
With some dumpling. Dumpling is what we call it again?
Food.
Okay.
Well, the food.
With the food, we got banana, and we got cassava, and we have dumpling. Yeah,
dumpling.
And then the swim around brown stew style.
Brown stew style.
Got to bring it back.
First
lady says she's hungry. So you know she's gonna tear up that food today, fam.
I hope so, because I gave myself a lot.
She's hungry, so she's gonna eat. So whatever she don't eat, I'm gonna take it. But you know what? Also, we have meal, so that would be later or in the middle. So we're not gonna tell you, oh, I gotta get the package.
Oh, we can get that after.
Oh yeah, we got meal. So don't know when we're gonna put it in there, but we got it. And then the last part of the mango story, aka mango bush. All right?
But before we dig in, check out. I don't have an outfit.
You don't got an outfit today. When you're hungry, that's what happens when you're hungry. The family, you see that? Yeah. I'm wondering what she's saying that and she don't got an outfit, but it's all good.
Man, you're my food. I'm
it's
sorry.
all good.
I don't have an outfit today.
And then we got the Richie on deck, courtesy of Mama Shay.
Today I am drinking out of a wine glass because I'm drinking my friend Sorrel.
Yes.
Okay, for all the Yachty people them or the Caribbean people them, you can't check it out.
Yeah, because you're hungry.
You guys know what Sorrel is?
That's Sorrel right there.
That's what I'm drinking today. And I thought it'd be better to put it in a glass because you can see how red it looks. It looks like wine, but it's not.
That wine. Which one? Maxim. Should I go with the Grace regular, the Grace green Scotch bonnet, or the Rasta one? Okay, I'll give you a second. No, I'm not gonna do all three of them. You're tripping.
Someone did say that.
Yeah, somebody said go do all three of them. You know what? First lady, which one you want me to go with? Is whatever first lady say. I know which first lady gonna say, you know. I know what she's gonna say.
I'm not gonna say.
You gonna say the original.
The original.
Yes.
Let's try the original today.
Yeah, today, even though it got, how the pepper taste on it already?
No pepper.
Okay.
I don't taste any pepper, but
Mommy,
a good man.
to the mother-in-law and to my mother, stew fish. Can't pick up right now.
I moved that, man.
Can't pick up mine.
Right.
I know, man. Food, deal with the food. Okay. How is it, first lady?
You wanna see I'm not talking? Man, you put your foot in it.
Oh my God.
And yes, our swim around was from Key West Catch of the Day.
Key West Catch of the Day. You know, every fish we eat on this channel is from Key West. Let me give you a dumpling, because some of y'all never tried the dumpling before. It's just flour and it's boiled down. There it goes. You know, there it goes.
Again, I gave myself 3 dumplings, knowing I'm only gonna eat one. But I came prepared for Richie. This is so good.
First lady was hungry, family. First lady was telling me, I'm so hungry. I said, all right. I'm telling my business.
Right.
We had a delivery to do. Some patties. I know, it's coming. So we had to make our son go drop it off because first he was too hungry. You know what I'm hearing?
Yes.
So he went to deliver. I thought it was him calling me right now. Tell him that he's there.
Let me tell you something.
But it's coming, okay?
When you have somebody in the house who can drive,
Yep.
and you have something to do, and you ask them, can you go do this for me? And they're like, sure. My goodness, it's the best thing ever.
First lady, when they come now on deck, you know, they better be blowing it up, you know?
Yeah, man.
Fam, you better be blowing up the site when they come on deck, alright?
The site is ready.
When the site is ready, don't worry, it's coming sooner than you think. We in work, we in the making. So Y'all order what y'all want. Birthday good, right? Wow.
I have to cry. It's so good.
Yo. I don't know. Sometimes I just be putting anything in there, and it comes out perfecto.
Yes.
Wow. I love mukbang.
You haven't said it in a while.
I know. I love mukbang, family. Trust me. Family. For the regular family members. Oh, mess up my shirt. You know we appreciate all of y'all, right?
What's the regular?
No, I'm telling you, regular family members, them, the regular ones, our family member, you know what?
Yeah.
But this goes out to all the other ones. They want to become the family, but they're not there. They still want to get to know us more.
Oh, that's true. That's what you mean.
Yes. When y'all do watch the video, thumbs it up. We getting all of that view, but we not getting them. The thumbs is not averaging to the views.
And we appreciate the view.
We appreciate the view, but the time you click on to watch a video or whatever what y'all do, just thumbs it up at the same time. Our regular family member, tell them what's going on, man. Let them know. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all though, but just thumbs it up. You know what I'm saying? Make the thing look better, man.
Do us that favor.
Do us that favor, please. And then y'all can join the family, because I know y'all watching them like, okay, I've been watching them a while now, 2 weeks a week. And you know, do y'all for us. That's all I'm asking. Reaction, that's all. Damn. First lady, this is good, right?
Yes.
Don't put too much cornmeal like dumpling, not true? Oh. Cornmeal is to make the dumpling under the firm, family.
What are you talking about? It's a good mind.
Put it and cook right, right?
Perfect.
I'm gonna give them a piece of the fish. I'm gonna give them a piece of dumpling already. I want you to see from the back.
Ooh.
See? First how it look good. They can see it? You see how fresh it is?
I'm not busy about you now. You want to eat my food, man?
You not busy about me? This is so good.
Ooh. You guys ever made brown stew fish?
And yes, they cook it. They sell it in the restaurant too, but it's not like the greedy couple one.
No, it's not.
It's not like greedy couple. So. Yeah. I'm glad you enjoy it. When you enjoy your food, I enjoy mine more.
Yeah.
Because I like when you enjoy the food, and I like when you full. You know what I'm saying? I like when you full. I'd rather you full first before I eat what somebody wanted it. Who did that?
Oh my gosh.
Which one of y'all did that? Oh my gosh. Y'all don't do that to first lady.
They're gonna do it alright. They said I'm gonna share. So they're gonna do it.
They're gonna say you don't share. How much dumpling again before? Wow. This is delicious. I
hope you guys are having a great day.
Please ask them.
It's towards the end. You guys should be getting home from work. Unwinding.
Drive safe on the road, you know.
Exactly. What's on the menu? Let us know.
Let us know what y'all dealing with, what y'all cooking, what y'all eating, what fast food you're buying, whatever y'all doing. Let us know.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because sometimes you don't feel like cooking.
Yeah.
We've had that before.
Yeah. A lot of time.
A lot of times, yeah.
Just gotta improvise, you know. Wow, this cup drink so good it's leak out of my mouth. Now we gotta pick and choose.
Black.
You like the black, right? Because Gotta pick now. I gotta alternate now. Every day, different cup.
That's great.
We got good family members, man.
We do.
Oh my God. Well,
They know exactly what we
caring.
need.
Mm-hmm.
They hook us up.
Yeah. Caring. That's one thing.
Very caring.
Very caring. They don't play around, man. You know what I'm saying? Competitive too, also.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. We like that.
If I don't
You see that? First I just chew a dumpling by my side, you know?
if I
Ooh. That's five dumpling.
honey, you normally yum like 6 dumplings.
So no, forget how much I eat now. How much I eat? I'm not gonna ask them because they already know.
Yeah.
They know that already.
They know. Like I was saying, one thing, you're gonna see some good food over here. They can see your fish, baby? Oh yeah, they can see it.
You want to put my fish closer to them and they could take it?
Closer to them, I'm saying. Put it closer to you.
Yeah, they want to take my fish one.
I feel like we're barely talking, but that's okay.
Sometimes you just gotta eat. We're still talking too, but we soon get into part 3, man. And then a gift later on. No?
Yeah. Definitely.
Yo.
Don't
How I learned this, man?
Don't talk money. I don't know how you learn it, but I'm glad you can cook. Careful with the bowl, honey.
They already told me. They told me already too. Be careful with the bone, because you know when you eat bone, fish, first thing you say, you gotta take your time. They told me.
They get nervous when you eat
Yeah,
fish.
they told me that. They told me. I said, alright, first they already told me already before I even start the video. And make sure I take time.
This. I don't know what to say.
Oh God.
You be doing your thing in the kitchen, man.
Man, Sam. Family. It's not a we ain't a,
It's a silent.
This is a silent. Listen, it is delicious. Wow.
You ever look at your partner and just looking at them, you already know what they're thinking or what they're saying? That's what we're having right now. It's that moment.
You know what I'm thinking? Oh, that's that moment.
Oh, no, I know what you're thinking.
I love that moment there.
Yeah.
Family, but yo, Tom.
Huh?
I think this is one of my best brown stew fish ever.
That's the problem. I can't pick. You're all good.
It tastes nice.
They're all good.
The carrots, family, the carrots is cooked to perfection.
Yes.
Not too soft.
Yes.
Got a crunch in it.
Speak on it. Sure.
Wow. I drop out, man. The piece, you know? Wow. Okay. Part 3 of the story time. First lady, when you get a chance, you start it off for me. At first, I'd eat something. Like, at first, you did good, even though you was hungry, you know? So first, we're gonna start off this part. Then we're gonna end the series.
Yeah. So now we're on to the third owner of this house. And the same thing that happened with the first and second owner The second owner told them, hey, there's this couple, Richie and Shanice, they're gonna come sometimes and get some mangoes.
They just pass it down.
Pass it down. So, 1 year now, we go there, we're watching the mango tree as usual, and we're like, yes, the mango's gonna bear this year. Nothing.
Nothing.
Richie and I went past the house like once a week. Nothing. The tree was big, full. It looked beautiful, but no mango, no beer.
None not beer, man.
So we said, wait a minute. I wonder if we took too much mango off of the tree. So we left it. That year, no mango. The year after that, no mango, people. The year after that, still no mango. So now we're getting vexed. So we're saying, wait a minute.
You're nervous, huh?
Yeah, we want our mango, man. The 4th year, we were so excited. We saw it bearing, and we're like, yes, we're gonna come back. Keep on watching it.
And do our thing.
One day, we coming from running some errands, but we had to go because my daughter had something in school. So we drove by that way. When we drove by that way, we said, oh man, the tree full of mango. Nice and yellow, ready to pick.
Ripe and ready.
So we said, okay, we're gonna come back tomorrow. Bright and early. You said we come back the next day, family? Not a mango upon the tree. Translation, there was not one single mango on the tree. Not a mango. Mind you, the day before the tree was full of mango. Ready enough, flooded.
Ready to eat.
Not a mango upon the tree. So we said, wait a minute.
What's going on?
What's going on? Because we know we didn't pick it. So we go to the house and the lady said, oh, I'm sorry. The workers, the Mexicans, they came back and they took it. They were Mexican workers. So you know Mexican love mango. Any Caribbean, Mexican, Puerto Rican, Dominican, they love mangoes. The people them go and take every single one of the mangoes.
Every single one, fam.
And she didn't tell them they can take it. When they come to mow the lawn, they took all of the mango.
Took all the mango.
There had to be like 2,000 mangoes on that tree.
They took every mango. So, so after a while, right? Cause this is the last owner, right?
Yeah, that's it.
After a while, a little bit starts splurting up again. But a little bit that starts splurting up again, it was enough like the first time. So me and Percy still went back there. But the only issue with this last owner, family, they had a lot of dogs. No cap. So you know when the mango drop on the tree, I have to tell the person, watch out when the mango drop on the floor. On the floor, and first they down there. At the first, you gotta watch out because you don't want to step in dog doodle. And I don't want the mango them dropping dog doodle. So we picked the little few that was there and some that I could carry in the bag in the tree, I carry because I don't want them to drop on the floor and do their deal. So we took all we could have took. I said, yo, first day they look like this is gonna be the last time of the mango tree, you know, because this last one look like they're not gonna get rid. These dogs gonna be here forever with them. You know what I'm saying?
And that's
fine. Like they're not gonna move. So that's the third owner. So I say, you know what? They're gonna be here forever. These next owner not moving. So I tell them, I say, whenever the mango beer again, we will come by and go check on it. We check, but the tree haven't been bearing, so it just stopped bearing. I'm like, I don't know why the tree stopped. It bears when it want.
Yeah.
But now mango season coming again, family. I'm gonna check if the same owner them is there, and if they're not there, we're gonna go back on that tree and pick some more mango. But we gotta go check first and see if it's bearing. But other than that, we had a lot of years out of that mango tree. We did a lot of those mangoes. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate all the owners that was there. They were so kind and stuff like that. But yo, that year, they beat us to that tree before us. And they done it. They only left a little bit left for us. And a little bit, couldn't do nothing.
Right. And it doesn't matter that they have dogs, because we have a dog.
Yeah.
But they wasn't picking up the dog poop.
Yeah, they wasn't picking up the dog poop. And when the mango dropped,
everywhere you walk.
Yeah, you gotta tiptoes. So we're like, nah, and then it was done anyway, but we kept checking on that tree, it having beer, but I let you know, if it's beering again, you're gonna see us come on the channel eating some mangoes. But it was good though while it lasts, you know? You can't have everything forever, you know what I'm saying?
We had it for a long time though.
We had it for a long time, and we were so nice with the mango, we gave away mangoes too, we gave away a lot of mangoes.
Alright.
But, other than that, that was the story, you know what I'm saying? We had fun for
Mango bush. We used to come home from work. I said, I'll be back. I'm going to the mango bush.
Yeah.
He took my father with him, his cousin.
Everybody
Everybody went to the mango bush. The kids that went.
Everybody had to know that tree.
It was like a field trip. Field trip for us. Going to the mango bush to pick mango.
But that was the story.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
I hope you enjoyed them. You know what I dumpling?
How you feel? I ate a half of it. I ate 1.5 today. I ate more than I normally eat. You see that?
He did good.
See, I brought 3 dumplings because I know Richard gonna eat 2 more.
6 dumplings now.
Yeah.
My dear family, me and friends are having some good time.
You have to.
One just gash in the car. My friends say, Richie, yo, we out. We out. You know what I'm saying? We just drive. Worse when my daughter start college. You know, our son is in college. We out.
We out.
You know, see us posting video everywhere except our home.
All over the place.
All over the place. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be riding, D.
I'm glad
Got it.
that I had the kids up early.
Yeah.
So, the age that I am now, I can enjoy my life.
Right.
Not saying I enjoy my life with my kids.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a different kind of enjoyment now. And being able to enjoy that dog.
Boss, come back and go make the delivery, man.
You know, it's a different kind of fun.
Right.
Now we're just able to just get up and go. You know, when you're planning a trip with kids, you always have to think about them. Okay. What kind of activities is there for the kids?
Yeah.
What kind of food? You know, are they gonna be comfortable there? You know, for us, we get up and go.
What's up? Go, family. That's what we do. Family.
Delicious.
I'll leave them the wall and then come back and this. Right?
Yeah.
So, family.
Wow.
Yeah. We're gonna give you the wow, right? Then come back with the gift, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna finish our food and come back with the gift, okay?
Yes.
And I'm gonna give you the wow. Okay. You remember? This is gonna almost go with the what you just said.
Yeah.
All right, family. First lady, listen up. Do not regret growing older.
Ooh.
It is privilege denied by many. I told you it's gonna go with it.
That is good.
I told you.
Yeah.
All right.
Not everybody gets to die old.
Yes.
Okay? Or grow old.
Exactly.
Die old. Even die old.
Yes. You like that one?
Yeah.
I told you.
All right, family.
We be back, okay, family?
We back. Okay, family, we are back. We have our mail.
Mail.
Okay, so this package came from one of our
Day one, but we're not gonna call no name.
Yes.
This person gonna be anonymous, and it's okay though. But they know who they are. Big supporter.
Big supporter.
Yes.
So from day one.
Day one.
All right, honey, you're gonna open it because you know I have bad
Hey,
wrist.
and it's big.
Yes. Take
Look
two
at it.
people.
So check it out.
And
Check it out. Okay.
That's
We're
funny.
silly like Billy.
Silly like Billy. Like Billy the goat.
We go mad. Go ahead, anytime we take it out, you can pull it out.
Yeah,
Anytime,
yeah.
that virus.
I have bad wrist.
Damn spoiled. What we got up in here?
Ooh. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Oh, it's another box.
It's a box in a box. Okay, let's see if we got any notes in here.
Okay.
Here we go. First lady. Hold on,
Okay.
right?
I have this one. You take this one out.
Okay.
I'll lift up this. Okay, so I have the note, but it just says who it's from. So it's from. It says from your family. So
yeah,
they don't want us to say their name, so we're just gonna say it's from your family.
Appreciate you so much.
So again, we come in here without no scissors, no knife, no nothing. We just come in here.
I just chill, my. I'm not putting the package of my. You know, so we have teeth mango, you know.
Speak for yourself. I teeth mango. I'm not teeth people stuff. We're gonna edit this part out. We're gonna edit this part out.
We're not edit one thing. You don't want to open the damn thing, boy.
Yeah. When I make too much noise in the ears, man.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. I got some milk in it. Wow. No way. I know what this is.
I know what this is.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yep.
Wow.
This is exactly what it is. It's so big, guys. Listen,
Yeah.
I'm going to insert a picture right now.
Wow.
So that's what this is in this box. It's so big that if we take it out, you won't be able to tell what it is. We have to put it together, and we're going to put it together.
Oh my God. We appreciate that. We well needed that.
Because now we can hang our backdrop on this instead of hanging it where we've been hanging it.
Wow.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
This is nice.
I cannot wait to put this together. I cannot wait to have Richie put this together.
Me. Look at this.
That's how it comes.
That's how it comes. You know, it's big. So we already know what this is.
Yeah, because we put the picture already.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Thank you so
it's
much.
It's very hard not to say your name.
I know.
But we're not going to say it.
We're not.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, family.
All right.
We appreciate y'all. Thanks for supporting us with all these beautiful gifts. So if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember what I said in the beginning. If you're watching, thumbs up the video at least. You know what I'm saying? But we appreciate y'all for watching. You know, they do that for us. And they are First Lady, because we are the greedy couple, and they are
the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.
Oh my gosh, so hard.
Thank you so much. I almost said it, didn't I?